Okay, now I will be teaching on how to create the playlist on your YouTube channel. Okay, just create the YouTube app. Okay, now create your account. Go to your channel. Then we have all of your videos uploaded. We will just be choosing 3 videos, okay? But in our task, we have to choose a video which only reach into 1 hour. It shouldn't exceed into 1 hour, okay? So let's choose these 3 videos I have. So click these 3 dots in the right side. Click the save to playlist. You have to make a playlist, so that's why I click that one. Then rename it into 8H task. Okay, now done. Then create. Then you already have the playlist. Then click another video, save to playlist. Click that you have renamed 8H task. Done. Then another video, save to playlist. Click the 8H task, then done. Now you have it all. So let's check your playlist here. Let's see all of their playlists which you had made. Okay, now here is your playlist. This thing. You've seen this one? 8H task. So let's click it. Now these are the videos that you have created. Okay? That's just how to do the playlist.